Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Chrome, open your current browser, and download the official Chrome installer. Once done, run the installer and allow permissions. Make sure to close Microsoft Edge and any apps that might lock browser settings. If you have bookmarks, export them now or sign into Chrome to import automatically. You should also decide which profile you want to use. Signing into your Google account syncs passwords, extensions, and history so you avoid losing data during the switch. You now change default app associations, open Windows settings and go to Apps, then Default Apps. Once there, click Google Chrome and set it as default for web protocols like HTTP and HTTPS and file types like HTML and HTM. Make sure to change Mailto or other web-related handlers if Chrome extensions will use them. If prompted by Edge, confirm that you want Chrome. If Windows requests confirmation for specific file types, pick Chrome for you. Finish by importing data and verifying behavior. In Chrome, open Settings and import bookmarks and passwords from Microsoft Edge. Install any necessary extensions. Once done, make sure to disable Edge Auto Reopen or pin shortcuts that still point to Edge. Test several links and email clients to confirm Chrome opens them. If something goes wrong, reset Chrome settings or revisit default apps to reassign associations. You can also clear Edge's startup entries. This fixes most lingering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.